I'm Brian Mann. In today's video we have an exciting guest, a young entrepreneur that came to me with her idea. So in today's video I show her how to take an idea that's been bounced around in her head and turn it into reality. So can you tell me what you want to make?
I want to make a glamping board.
What's a glamping board?
Basically, a glamping board is a cutting board that you take on camping.
And what's fancy about it?
What's fancy about it is I want to have 2 different colors of wood and 2 little storages inside of it that you can put knives, forks, all of that stuff in it.
And what's the difference between camping and glamping?
Glamping is whenever you take a trailer or you go into a cabin. And normal camping is going into a tent and cooking everything on your own.
So we started with a little planning. Here she's measuring many of the things that she wants to put inside the glamping board. We next started to make the bottom by measuring and cutting a piece of maple to a rough size. Here you can see we're drawing and planning the process of how the bottom will be cut on the CNC machine. Here you can see we're now making the top out of a piece of walnut. We're using the hand plane to take a rough board and turn it into a smooth surface.
So right now we're gonna apply some olive oil finishes, and it's one of my favorite finishes. So let's get started. We need a retake.
And what makes this cutting board fancy? Or why is it for glamping?
Oh my god. We're gonna apply some olive oil finishes, and it's one of my favorite finishes. We need a retake.